Hello everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to be taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to show you the overall condition of the vehicle. I'm going to talk through major talking points and features of both interior and exterior, and of course go into a bit more detail on this vehicle, as it is of course the all new 330E eDrive. This vehicle has just won What Car's Plug-in Hybrid of the Year, which is of course a very nice starting point for this vehicle, as they've made some vast improvements from the previous shape. Not that the previous shape wasn't any good, however, an already exciting vehicle to get into. So without further ado, as you can see, this vehicle is presented in the Portimao blue, and we've finished that off with the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. As we go around the car, you'll be able to spot some options, I'm sure. However, I'm going to talk a bit more in depth about them. Straight away, you'll be able to notice that very nice glass sunroof the car comes with. That is part of the premium pack. At the front of the car, we have the visibility package on this car. That includes the very striking and very powerful laser headlamps. So as you can see there, they're just coming on thanks to me clicking the unlock button. These headlamps give up to half a mile of range and are 30% more efficient than the previous LED or even xenon headlamps. And of course, owing to the fact there is just one part to them, there's no more expensive ballast packs. Moving down the side of the car, you'll see the optional extra 19-inch alloy wheels, which are in fantastic condition, along with another option, which is the Msport Plus pack, meaning bigger Msport Plus brakes front and rear, and of course that extra fuel, what looks like a fuel filler cap on the car, which is where you'll plug the vehicle in for charging. On a full charge on pure electric, BMW claim anywhere up to 37 miles of range, and of course it has got an element of self-charge to the vehicle. So from regenerating braking, it will put an element of charge back into the batteries, which we'll get onto very shortly. You will have seen there as I walked away from the car, the vehicle did lock itself. That is thanks to the comfort pack. Walking back up to the car will unlock the car effortlessly as well. Inside, we've got the very nice black YNC leather, which comes with both the electric movement and memory for driver's side, once again thanks to that premium pack. And having that sunroof really gives a very nice depth and ambience to the interior, along with the high gloss interior trims, which are again an option. Thanks to the tech pack the vehicle comes with, we've got the Harman Kardon surround sound. We've also got the M seat belts on this car, which make a lovely addition to any of the new BMW range. Moving towards the rear of the car, now the batteries for the new 3 Series are stored just underneath the rear seats and at the front portion of the boot. However, it does not encroach on any of your rear passenger compartment, meaning you've still got a very spacious, comfortable 3-seat ISOFIX rear bench and a centre folding armrest, and the rear seats still split fold, which we'll see very shortly. Digital climate display and adjustment for rear passengers, and everything is exceptionally clean and tidy, as you would expect. And again, just highlighting what a difference having that sunroof in the interior it really does make, so you can show off that beautiful interior even further. Premium Bridgestone run flat tyres all the way around on this car, keeping you planted to the road, as you're definitely going to want that, because with the combined power of the electric batteries and of course the electric motor, this vehicle produces 295 brake horsepower and does come with a very fun feature called Xtraboost, which of course we're going to get onto very shortly. We'll open up the automatic opening and closing tailgate to reveal a large boot space. Bearing in mind, of course, we have lost a little bit because of the battery packs. However, there is the supplied charging cable in its very nice luggage, its very nice supplied carry case, along with still the split folding seat option, as I just mentioned. Again, BMW thinking of everything. Thanks to you, of course, having to lose that little bit, which is the same with any plug-in hybrid. You are going to have to make that little bit of a sacrifice. However, they give you this very nice low loading system to enable you to store things on both the higher and lower levels. We'll close that automatic tailgate down and move around to the other side of the vehicle to again show you just how nicely presented this vehicle is in that very striking Portimao blue. And I'm going to go on and take a seat inside the vehicle now, because I've got yet more exciting features to go through, of course. So now I'm sat comfortably inside the vehicle. We're greeted straight away with the Bmw Live Cockpit. I will start the vehicle up, and that is the vehicle started, of course, completely soundless. There is a wide array of different modes for the vehicle. Currently it's set in hybrid, so it will switch effortlessly between both the 2-litre turbocharged petrol engine and the 12 kilowatt electric motor and battery combination. However, down here you can see there we've also got the adaptive suspension on this mode, or the adaptive mode, so we can play around with both steering settings, engine settings, suspension settings, and a wide array of other functions. Clicking the hybrid mode, there you can see there is two functions for that. There is standard hybrid and the Eco Pro. Within the Eco Pro, there is an active route guidance. On your active route guidance, the sat-nav will suggest the best route for getting the most out of the electric motor and of course the electric consumption, which again is an all new feature and one that I find completely satisfying and very, very useful. And I do strongly recommend that you check out the Car Wow review of this vehicle, as they do go into a bit more depth about that. I'm just going to focus on this vehicle. However, if you are struggling and do wish to find out a little bit more, that's one that I've certainly taken quite a little bit of reference from. So check that out. I will try and leave a link in the description below. However, back to the car itself. If we engage sport mode, there you'll see Xtraboost, which I just love. I think that's a fantastic thing to see on any screen. If you're a big petrol head like me and you're wanting to make the switch to a plug-in hybrid, I don't know many plug-in hybrids that come with a mode that's named as cool as Xtraboost. Back to the vehicle itself, we'll open up this lovely glass sunroof, which again, going to open up the interior to a different ambience completely. All new touchscreen. Again, is the larger one being the professional wide. We've got DAB, we've got Bluetooth audio and of course telephone, as you can see here. We've also got the very nice user-friendly touchscreen sat-nav function, as you can see there. So if I tap to that, it will set a destination to that point if I wish so. Going into the vehicle itself, you can see there we can plan a charge route. So if I plan a destination, it will recommend where I can stop for the most efficient charging system or charging route. Vehicle status, service requirements, as you can see there, the vehicle is not due a service for 12,000 miles. That is due to the fact that this vehicle has only covered just over 6,492 miles. It also comes with the heated steering wheel. So again, another option on top of an already hugely spec'd 330E. Down here is the wireless charging tray. So place a device into here, compatible device, and it will charge up effortlessly, freeing up all of your other USB slots. And of course, not forgetting, we've of course also got gesture control, as you can see on there, and I can highlight that. And again, I'll just show off the parking assist and the rear facing reversing camera. Clicking that back into park, that will pretty much finish off our walk around for the 330E. Bearing in mind, there is still yet so much more to tell you about this vehicle. However, I'm going to finish it off there. And should you be interested, we highly recommend you book a viewing for this absolutely incredible new 330E Msport. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video. I do appreciate it's a little bit of a lengthy one, but bearing in mind the huge amount of technology and features on this stunning car. As always, I'll leave all of the relative links down below in the description, and I do hope to see you very, very soon here at your next car. Thank you very much. See you soon and goodbye.